Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to our Perfect Show live streaming. I'm today's host, Fiona. And first, if you can hear my voice clearly, please tap 1 on the screen. Yes? All right, let's begin. Okay, first, it's my great honor to be here to introduce Perfect Laser to you guys. Perfect Laser is a professional manufacturer of the laser equipment since 1995. Until now, we have 20 years in this laser field. And our laser products include laser cutting machine, laser engraving machine, laser marking machine, laser welding machine, and laser cleaning machine. And in total, we have 20 series and 300 types. And all our products have the certificate such as CE, ISO, ROS certificate, and which certified by the International Inspection and Institute, such as TUV and SGS. And we have a talent team. 95 of our teammates are bachelor and master degree. So we can provide 2 hours quick response and 24 hours after sales customer service to all you guys all over the world. And so today we are going to introduce the carbon dioxide laser engraving and cutting machine. And before that, I want to introduce you guys the promotion in our live streaming. Okay, are you guys ready? So first, in order to thank you for watching our live show and to celebrating the shopping festival in September, we prepare all the different coupons. Let's have a look in the details. Okay, so first, if you introduce the new user, can you see it clearly? Yeah? And if you introduce the new user to buy our products from our company during the live streaming, you can have the free machine parts which worth $100. This is really nice, huh? I will show you guys. This is the coupon. And we also have the very surprise gifts for you guys. And before I introduce the surprise to you guys, I want to introduce the coupons into the details for you guys. So let's have a look at the coupons. Can you see it clearly? Yes? Okay, so first, if you order more than $3,000, yes, so I will show you guys one by one, and you can enjoy the $50 discount. And if you order more than $7,000, you can enjoy $100 discount. It's a really good deal, huh? And by the way, we also have a lot of lovely gifts for you guys. So I will show you guys the lovely gifts. And one more thing, before I show you guys the gifts, please don't forget to follow our channel. Please follow the channel here. And you can click the button and you can subscribe our channel so you can easily find us next time. And the last but not least important thing is, please don't forget to give us a like here. Can you see the button here? You can click the like button, and thank you very much for your support. And now I will introduce you guys the lovely gifts for you guys. So first, if you order more than $3,000, so you can see it here, the lovely red box. You must be really curious what is inside, right? Okay, let's have a look. Let's have a look in this way. It must be more clear. So this one is, if you order more than 3,000, you can get this lovely red box. And in this box, we have 3 pieces unit, which is one is the cute notebook. And you can see it's all the Chinese characteristics, and it's so cute. And it's very convenient to carry with you. And we also have a cute red pen. Can you see it? Yes, the very cute pen, and you can write it. And one more thing, we have another gift. Can you see the USB? The very cute USB? So for this one, we can also engrave the special logo for you, and whatever you want, we can engrave it for you. Okay, so this is the lovely gift if you order more than $3,000. It's very cute. And this is, if you place the order from our live streaming today, you can enjoy the coupons and also the lovely gift. Okay, and we have more gift for you guys. For this one, if you order more than $7,000, you can enjoy this blue and white box. Let's have a look what is inside. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, so for this one, I'm going to show you guys closer, okay? So for this one, this is the Chinese traditional porcelain tablewares. We have 8 pieces, and you can see the very beautiful white and blue flowers on it. Isn't it nice? So for today's, our promotions and benefits, we prepare a lot of good deals for you guys. And if you are interested, please don't hesitate to contact us, and you can chat with us online, or you can send the inquiries to our sales manager. And you have the link. We have 20 links in our product page. And whatever you have the question, feel free to ask us, okay? And today we're going to show you, first product is the carbon dioxide laser engraving and cutting machine. And it is the machine which it can engrave and cut on the beautiful different patterns on the non-various materials, non-metallic materials. For example, acrylic, leather, wood, bamboo, or as long as it is non-metallic, we can engrave and cut the patterns you want on it. Okay, so now I'm going to invite our host, Miss Autumn. Miss Autumn is a very professional sales engineer, and she will introduce and show the samples for you guys. Okay, let's give a round of applause to welcome Miss Autumn.
Hello everyone. Hello Fiona.
Hello.
And thank you so much for your just presentation about our today's products. Okay, so now I think it's time to let you know more about the samples that our products can make, right? So Fiona, would you please help me to bring them here?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, thank you so much. Okay, that's right. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Okay, so we're going to show you guys the samples which is made by the carbon dioxide laser engraving and cutting machine.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, you can see here it actually have many different types of the materials, right?
Yeah.
So let's start with which one do you want? Okay, here.
The boots.
Okay, Fiona, could you come here?
Yeah.
Yeah, so we can see that clearly. As we know, the boots must be one of the favorite things that a girl or a woman like, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can see. Yeah, could you see that clearly? My dear friends. Yeah.
I will show you guys clearly
so
you
much.
can see it clearly.
Okay, so first we can see here is not actually the straight line, right? It's the curving line. And however, the most important part of this booth is here. It's like a flowers, right? With very exquisite. Yeah, could you see that? Yeah. Okay, with very exquisite patterns here. So how to realize this kind of patterns is actually made by our carbon dioxide. Yeah, you can come back. Thank you so much by our carbon dioxide engravers and cutters. And one more thing we should pay attention is that you can see it's not only some lines here, but also some curving surface you can see, right? And even some irregular surface. So to realize this, we must, yeah, okay. realize this kind of patterns, we must have a high precise techniques to realize it. Okay, so this is one thing for the fabric or clothing materials. And another thing here, wow,
The beautiful
blouse.
dress.
Yeah, this is the blouse. We can also call it shirt, right? And the most beautiful parts of this is absolutely the hollow out patterns. Yeah, you can see that clearly.
Okay, I will show you guys.
I think as a girl, as a consumer, when I want to buy a clothes like this, I would pay much attention to its design, right? To its design and its patterns, especially for this. I can say it's very sophisticated, the patterns. So like you can see there are many holes here. So whether the hole is just irregular and some are too big, some are too small, that would be so ugly, right?
Yeah.
So it should be, what I can say, it should be completely or organized. Yeah, it should be organized with a good patterns to realize a stylish one, right? And this have made it. And later on, I will let you know more about what kind of machine it has. We have to make this kind of clothing, okay? And next to let's talk about the next part. Okay, I think still some non-metallic materials. Here it is. This is actually. Do you know what kind of material it is?
Transparent.
Yeah, it's transparent, but it's actually the acrylic.
The acrylic.
Acrylic, as well as this one. This is an airplane, right? And this is a Christmas tree. Yeah, you can show. I think you can show this one to our customers.
Okay.
Yeah, please be careful. This.
Okay.
Okay. So we can see that they have many different shapes inside of this acrylic, like some circular one and also star holes here, and also it don't have a regular lines. However, if you can touch it, Fiona, could you help to touch it? Yeah, just like this. You'll feel good, right? It's very smooth.
It's very smooth.
Yeah, it's very smooth.
You can see from the side.
However, some machine cannot actually make this type of smooth surface because they cannot reach a high precision with their machine. So as well, you can see this is much larger, you can see, and this is smaller, and it's assembled by several parts of it. So you can see here. So it's very important for some goods. It should be assembled with these little small parts. So no matter what kind of size they have, no matter how big or how small it is, we can make it with all different dimensions. And later on, I will let you know our parameters to let you see what is the accuracy of our machine. Okay. And we have seen many, this like a 2D, and how about the 3D type?
3D type.
Yeah, 3D type. I think this is very special. I can make sure that you don't know what kind of materials it is, right?
Yeah, I don't know, maybe wood or I don't think so.
Yeah, that's right. It actually is MDF material. It's just similar as wood, but it's a little bit different. And yeah, you can show it to us. Okay, let's see that. Okay, this one, maybe we can let you see more clearly about its thickness. Okay, yeah, okay, here. Okay, it's about 1.5 centimeter, you can see. So it's like 15 millimeter. The thickness, we actually can also make it. And how about the thin one? You can see, yeah, this one, okay. Okay, this one is just similar. This is wood, and that is the MDF material. Here you can see how thin it is. It's nearly only only 1 millimeter. You can see that. Okay. Oh, my dear friend, Rahmatullah Khan. Welcome, and as well as the Charles Lin too. Welcome many new friends here, and we are discussing our new products, carbon dioxide laser engraving and cutting machine, as well as our 3D engravers. So if you have any questions related to this, please leave your message right now, and we are happy to answer your request. Okay, and let's just continue our samples representation. Okay. And we just see this MDF materials. Actually, it's a little bit special material. We not see it very frequently, in our daily life, right? However, for our machine, no matter it is plastic, PVC, or this leather clothing, or this kind of special MDF materials, we can actually all this can be engraved and cut by our machine. Okay, and we have shown a lot about this. How about another special one? Dun, 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 dun.
Wow.
Yeah.
This one looks so amazing.
Yeah. So do you get this one in your home?
No, actually not.
Yeah, actually not, because it's a little bit historic, I say. My dear friends, I must to share you some information or some knowledge about our Chinese culture. Actually, as we all know that paper is not the first thing we created to write, right?
Yeah.
The first thing for us, for Chinese, is actually this kind of bamboo split. Yeah, this is bamboo split. Okay, and we use this bamboo things or wooden things to write all the information that we want to record, right? Not the paper. So in our for our ancestors, this is very crucial for them to recommend to record something. And how about this one? Yeah, Fiona, could you please show you guys? Yeah, thank you so much. Okay. And this one is actually a very famous historical poems. I guess you may not know much about this history. However, it doesn't matter. It just can be seen as a lovely gift from us, from the Chinese people. And you can know more about our culture, our history. So I think it can be a very meaningful gift for us, right?
Yes,
so,
it's very special.
Yeah, it's very special. And if we can leave this in our home, I think we can always remember the past life we once experienced, right?
Yeah.
And we are more cherished about our present life. Yeah. And how about this one? This is the bamboo and this is the wood. Yeah, the wood materials is more like a portrait here. Yeah, you can see the portrait here. So as we just see in the bamboo slip, we usually engrave and cut some words or sentences or poems, this kind of characteristic related things. And how about this one? This is a painting. So no matter you want some paintings, some drawings, or some words, slogans, or some logos, right?
Yeah.
You can engrave it in the bamboo and as well as the wood, okay? And thank you so much for this part. Okay, thank you. And how about this one? Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
This is the first thing draw my attention on this table.
Yeah,
Because
why?
of the color, the red color,
Yeah, the red color, of course, and it's more like the modern gift we may show it to us, right?
Yeah,
like
I will
that's
show you
true.
guys.
Okay, here you can see. We can say that the bamboo slip or the wooden drawings are a little bit thick, and for this one, it's ultra thin for us. Yeah, and also after that, you can show this one. Yeah, it's ultra thin. I think it's not necessary to use a ruler to test how thin it is. However, no matter it is thick or thin, we actually can engrave and cut by our carbon dioxide laser engraving and cutting machine, right? Okay, here, yeah, and as well, the method is actually the fabric or textile materials, and this one is the leathers as well. It's another flower.
Oh,
yeah,
wow.
please show it to us. Thank you. This is a flower here.
This material is leather, right?
Yeah, it's leather. So maybe if you have many creative ideas, my dear friend, I can make sure that you can get some this kind of flowers in your leather booth. Okay, as we have already presented you a lot of samples related to different materials, right, such as the leather and also the fabric materials. I think these are especially or particularly fit the customers who are in the clothing or garment industry, right?
Yeah.
And for things like this bamboo and wooden related gifts, it's actually for customers who like in the commercial or in the advertisement industry, because they can use this, not about this is about a normal painting, but as well it can print something related to their company, like the slogans they have, right? And
like make it special only for you, right?
Yeah, make it special, and also you can put it on their company, right? So it's a good way to advertise themselves. And as well, we can see this one, some papers, right? Some papers. This is more suitable for some smaller customers who devoted themselves in the handicrafts or crafts related industry. Okay, and I think that's all for today's samples presentation. And thank you so much, Fiona, to help me to get all these samples. So now, could you please help me to take this away?
Yes, sure.
Okay, thank you. Okay, my dear friends, if you have any questions related to these samples, or if you want to see more samples, please just leave your message here. And any new friends here, please let me know. You can please type 1 or type 2 to let me know. Okay. Okay, we have presented a lot of different samples here. I think that you have got a clear understanding of what kind of products we actually can make by our carbon dioxide laser engraving and cutting machine. Okay, now let me show you the whole series of our products, right? Okay, the whole series of our products are actually, let's see that. Wow. Thank you so much. Guys, could you see that clearly? Okay, perfect. Okay, here we can see, wow, there are nearly 15 types of carbon dioxide laser engraver and cutters. But how about what is the difference among them, and what about their applications? So let me just illustrate that one row by one row, okay? So for the first row, you can actually see the difference. They are smaller. So they can be seen as the mini type carbon dioxide laser engraver and cutters. They are particularly suitable for those who focus on the space they have, so they must need some small equipment so as to save the storage or the space they already have. And especially, you can see this one, the PE40B is the smallest carbon dioxide laser engraver and cutters. And how about this one, this 6040 and with A and without A? It's just similar, but you can see the cover is a little bit different. And it's a little bit different, so it may decide a different price for you. And as we can see, the next part is the PEDK. You can see all of this is the PEDK series. Actually, nearly all of them can make all the non-metallic materials. However, I will let you know the difference between that. But first, we can focus on this one. This is the 13090, and this is the most hot-selling carbon dioxide laser engraver and cutter in our today's live streaming. Okay, so I will illustrate more details about these products. Please patiently wait for our introduction and keep watching. Thank you so much. And for this one, yeah, you can see actually it has the double scanning head, so it can guarantee our fast speed when it operates, and also it can improve the high efficiency, especially for some large production. Okay. So here you can see the blue thing on this working table. It's actually made especially for the carpet. Yeah, you know, the carpet or the leather, this kind of clothing materials. And as well, these are just similar. These are just similar, but this is much even larger, because you can see here is the roll-to-roll speed, is the roll-to-roll fitting system we have. So if you have a super long materials like the clothing, you can use this type, the 160100 as this type for. Okay. So here we also have some machine, especially. Okay, so I've known that Fiona, have you ever seen there are some customers have some questions, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, one of the customers is asking what kind of support do you guys provide?
Okay, what kind of supports you mean? The technical related supports or the service supports? Okay, for the technical support, my dear friend, you can actually send us more detailed questions to us. And for the service support, we actually first we can provide you the 24 months warranty time. So don't worry about our after sales. And also for the support about this machine, yeah, for the support about this machine, you can see it's actually for the carbon dioxide laser engraver and cutter, we actually can provide you some optional items like the rotary system, and as well as the, yeah, you will see it later, the adjustable lifting system for you, so you can it can meet your demands of the thickness of different materials with different thickness. And let me see, and about other related service, okay, you can send us more detailed questions so I can answer you. And thank you for your questions. Any other friends, if you have more questions, please just feel free to test your question here right now, okay? Okay, now let's continue. Okay, one more thing. About the supports, as I have mentioned that the series of the engraver and cutter can actually meet nearly all the non-metallic materials. So no matter you are in some advertisement industry or some handicrafts, or some like things like the souvenirs or some garments, leathers, this related industry, don't worry about that. We must have the machine that you need. Just let us know your request, okay? Okay, so let's continue. And as I just mentioned before, this is for the larger garment or clothes that you have, so we can provide this type of machine to meet your demands. And as well, let me see, okay, here they are just similar, but the biggest difference of that is the dimension of the working table. Yeah, the dimension of it. And as well as we can see, yeah, here, however, here is a PEDK 9050. This is like a compared with these two, this is smaller, so it can be seen as a mini type for the laser engraver and cutter. Okay, and that's all for this whole series. Thank you so much, Fiona. So let me, yeah, okay, here. Okay, here. So let us see this one. This is the PEDK 13090. Okay, so okay, it doesn't matter. Let me give you a brief introduction of these products. Yeah, we can see here. So this carbon dioxide laser engraver and cutter is actually the most hot-selling model accepted by our customers. So it has large 1,300 millimeter by 900 millimeter working arrow. Also, we can call it the working table. Yeah, and it has the compact nesting, convenient storage materials. And the knife-shaped aluminum heavy strip work of the platform can avoid detecting products caused by the reflection of backstop and while cutting acrylic and wood materials. I will let you know later. You can see that clearly. And the last thing is if changing to the honeycomb working table, it can be used to engrave and cut clothes, fabric, carpet, shoes, etc. Yeah. So that's all for the brief introduction. So let us see the different parts or different components of this machine. Yeah, put your camera, you can come closer. Thank you so much. Okay, here, let's see this part at first. Okay, and I just mentioned before, the working table of this machine is 1,300 plus 900 millimeter. This is the working place. Okay, next to that, we can see the main screen control here. You can see, yeah, you can get closer. Okay, here we can see there are two buttons here, the emergency stop button here, and as well as the laser power switch. So how to open this machine, how to make it operate, you just need to open this power, and once you find that anything wrong related to this machine or you find some errors, just press the stop emergency button. Then the machine will be stopped immediately in case, so it can avoid even more wrong things happen. And here is the LCD screen control, this one with a screen here and some buttons here. Yeah. So how to use it? Let's see. Here we have a U-disc interface. So it means that you can use your U-disc or USB communication to plug it in here, and we can see all the information in your disc here in the screen. Okay, and you can just operate it like a computer, you know. And of course, yeah, even though we have this display, you can still have your own computer display here. So it can support both U-disc and USB as well as the computer. So any convenient ways for you, you just choose it. Okay, and here you can see the lighting switch. There is a lighting switch here, and also we have the data interface. So it can guarantee that this machine can connect with the network. And here we have the internet interface as well. Okay, this is the small part of this machine. And inside of this, sorry that I cannot open it, it has been locked. Inside of this, you will see more laser source and equipment inside of that. Okay, let's see. Okay, here we also have the attention. Yeah, here have the attention. Just make sure when you firstly for the first time to use this machine, please read all the information in this attention very carefully. It's very important to correctly operate this machine, okay? And now let's come to the central part. Okay, the central part. Okay, the central part here you can see is the protection cover of this machine. Actually, it can be split over, this one. So when we, okay, I think it's difficult to close it up. Okay, when you didn't open it up, you can see the whole working table by seeing it through this transparent, cover, right? Okay, now after you open it, you will see the main working table here. I once told you about this working table. We actually have two types. For the first type is this one. It's the honeycomb working table. This honeycomb working table is like a honeycomb. Yeah. And for another one is the knife working table. Do we get this knife working table? The other type of working table, no, sorry, because it's too large for us, so it's not convenient to bring it here. But if you get if you need some materials like the leather related materials, you can use the knife one, so it can guarantee you to cut the suitable size for you. Okay, so here is the honeycomb type working table, and here you can see this one. Here you can see this is the Taiwan branded laser guide rail. It's very important to make sure a high precise positioning. Because you can see it connect with this. Okay, can you see that? Okay, and next to that, here you can see, and here. This is the transforming belt, so it can ensure the rail behind and front to move in this working table. Okay, and here you will see. I will point it to you. There are 2 mirrors. And here you will get another mirror, and here is the last mirror. It actually have 4 mirrors here, so it can reflect the laser light to us. So, and then the light here, after the system, it will transmit to the laser. So it can actually make some beautiful patterns in our materials. Later on, I will invite our engineers to show it to you. Okay, and okay, that's all for the working table. Let's come to this part. What is beneath this working table? You can see. Can you see that? Okay, first we have this toolbox for you. It's free. It's like, just you mentioned my friend. Whose name? The name of that friend? How can I call you? You can send another message to us. Here is also a kind of support we can provide you. That is the toolbox. So if you have any questions to assemble this machine or anything, something wrong related to this machine, you can just find some useful tools inside this toolbox. Okay, and as well we have another optional items is the rotary system. So things like the crystal glass, the crystal wine glass that is circular, or anything cylindroid, rounded things. Thank you so much. Things like this one, it has the cylindroid surface. It's not a regular surface. It's not the flat surface. We can also make it by our rotary system. So if you want this, please do not hesitate to get one of it. Okay, thank you so much. And now let's come to the last part. Please, camera there. Okay, thank you. Have seen so many things in front of this machine. How about what is behind of this machine? Okay, here can actually be seen as the system related to our carbon dioxide, right? Because it's worked through carbon dioxide. So here we have the carbon dioxide glass laser tube. You have to be careful if you open it up. You can see here. It's actually the glass tube. It's glass tube. It's fragile, so you have to pay attention to tell your engineers that this one should be carefully protected. Okay, and here. So how about the exhaust, the remains, or the fumes? Here, if anything generated by this machine, like the fumes, the smoke, they can be here discharged by this tube and outside of this machine and outside of our lab or our workshop. Okay, and as well, I have mentioned that it is worked through the carbon dioxide, so it has no air cooling system. Instead, it has the water cooling system. Here, could you see that? Yeah, and in here you will see. Okay, here you will see the yeah. I how to say that? It's the water chiller. Yeah, this one is the water chiller. Okay, and next to that is this machine. Yeah, it generates the electricity. And also pay attention. If you can get a clear look, if you can get a clear outlook, you will see there are two lights here. One for alarm light, another for normal lights. And also there is a small screen. Can you see that? This can display the temperature of this machine. So we can also see it as another protective system for us. Once the temperature is too high, extremely high, and the alarm light will light, so it will avoid the machine will be overburning. So it's very useful for us. And we can, and another thing I should mention is that because for different materials, it have different power to choose, like the 30 power, 50 power, 60 power. So before you buy this machine, please discuss more details about your need related to the power, so that we can cater into your requirements to have a one suitable one suitable chillers for you. Okay, and that's all for this part. Thank you. So now maybe it's time to invite our engineers to show you how to open this machine and how to make some samples, okay? So let's welcome our engineer, Miss Wu. Here. Okay, my dear friend and new coming dear friend, if you have any questions, please let us know. Okay, and also the PEDK1 3090 is in our live streaming product list. Its number is number 4. Yeah, it's number 4. If you want to get more information related to this products, please just click it and see more information related. And don't forget that we have many promotion policy in this month. Don't miss this time. Okay, let's see. Okay, so today's material is acrylic. You can see that it's a red acrylic. And now let's put it on our working table. Okay, here we have already positioned it. Okay. Oh, okay. This can be seen as a pointer to, yeah, here. I will show it later. Because you can see this, 这大概是多少啊？27毫米。So this is around 7 millimeter, and we use it to adjust our distance until the best place. And now if we get the best place, we get the best positioning, and yeah, and we can operate it now. Okay, now let's see what kind of patterns we actually want to engrave. Okay, here you can see. Yeah, and before you engrave and cut the materials, we can see this. Here is the patterns we are going to engrave. So you should to ensure the correct patterns here, and with the many different parameters like the fire, the speed, the max power, mini power, as well as the time. Okay, status. Okay, let's do this.
And I just saw the customer, Mr. Dave Thomas. you're curious whether we're going to show the 3D crystal engraving machine. Yes, we will. So please stay with us, and we will show you in our today's live streaming. So please stay with us at 8 o'clock, okay?
Yeah, please remember it's 8 o'clock. And after we make some samples about this machine, we'll come to the 3D engraver. So please patiently wait. And please remember today we have prepared you a lot of lovely gifts. If you can stay here, you'll get our lovely gifts. Okay, now let's begin. Okay, well, during the time with processing, let me discuss more about the applications of our carbon dioxide laser engraver and cutters. Actually, it's suitable. You can see it's suitable for the acrylic, right? And it's also suitable for fabric, cloth, leather, paper, wood, rubber plates, PVC board, and any other kinds of non-metal materials with complex shapes. So how about the difference between their engraves and cuts techniques? And actually, if the materials are different, it doesn't mean that all of those can both engrave and cut. For example, metals, they cannot engrave and cut by this machine. And for materials like glass, stone, marble, granite, this kind of materials cannot be cut. They can only be engraved. Please remember, this cannot be cut, only be engraved. And things like the MDF, acrylic, wood, bamboo, PVC, and some leather, clothes, garments, all these can both engraved and cut. Okay, is that finished? Yeah, when you hear the sound, it means that it's finished. Have we done it? Okay. As we see, it's different from laser marking machine. When we are operating the laser marking machine, there is no consumables. However, for this engraver or cutters, we have the consumables. Yeah, we have the consumables, and we need to. You can see that we need to get this. Then after I get this out, we come to the complete rooster. This is a rooster here. Yeah, you can see it. Okay, let me show you the thickness of this rooster. The thickness. Yeah, the thickness of this rooster. Here you can also, I can touch it for you. Thank you. I can touch. Here, let's see, it's nearly 0.5 millimeter of this craft. Yeah, let you see it again. We just use like less than 1 minute to get a whole rooster. Yeah, you can see it's very smooth. It's very smooth. Okay. Thank you.
So we will show you guys more samples, and then the engineer is going to make it for you guys now.
Yeah, thank you. And before we show you the samples, let us know what are the main features of these products. Yeah, let's see. What are the main features? Of course, the first feature of this carbon dioxide laser engraver and cutter is its professional working table. As I mentioned before, it has two optional type of the working table: the honeycomb or strip work table for you to choose, and use the imported stable aluminum materials to meet the demands of the diversified laser processing. And as well, for the next unique feature is the Taiwan-made ball screw rod. We also can call it the transformation trail. I just showed you before. It's here. Yeah, it's this one. And motorized up and down table adopt the Taiwan. Yeah, this is the brand. You can just check it if you care about what exactly the brand we use. And this can guarantee the high precision ball screw rod and high accuracy linear running guide rail. Can improve the precision and accuracy of the machine. And another thing I should mention is the red light pointer function. Yeah, you can see here is the red line pointer function. Yeah, you can actually see it clearly. Yeah, as the laser light is invisible, so we use this red light pointer to realize the exact positioning of our laser beam. Yeah, and also we have the special front to back running through design with the 30 to 50 millimeter. Is this one? Is this one? Can you see this is hollow? No. Yeah, this is hollow. Can you see that? I think you can see it's just through this pull it in the middle. Yeah, in the middle. You can see this. You can see my handle, right? You can see my handle. Yeah, and the distance of that is 30 to 50 millimeter height. And no matter how long this material is, it can be easily loading and passing through. And we also have here, an adjustable lifting working table. So comes each with this one. The flexible distance is very large for you. Yeah. And also we have the ladder shaped drawer design. It's actually applied by our knife working table. And the last thing is that the laser beam stop when opening the machine cover. This one. We designed a special function to stop the laser beam coming out when you operate this machine's cover. It means that when you open it up, this operator won't be hurt by the laser beam, and it's safe for our operators. Any company don't have such design, so it will hurt operators sometimes when using it. Okay, that's all for the features. Thank you. Now let's welcome our engineer back to give us more different samples. Welcome. Thank you. Okay, this time we can see it's the textile. This is the textile. Let's see. Oh, it's against red. Okay. Please remember before we cut it, we have to use this to position the items we are using. Okay, so as we can see, we even have to use a tool. Yeah, I finished it. We even use a tool to adjust it, to adjust the handle because the handle is really tight. I think it's another guarantee to make sure that this will not move, right? Will not move, so it can make sure the high precision. Now, let's do this, right? Okay, let's do it. 这样放没关系是吧？不行，这个要调了是吗？
这是同光定位，可以告诉你在哪一块进去。
Okay, what we are doing now is positioning the correct framework of what we are going to cut.
位置找好之后就可以直接开始。
Okay, after that, let's do this.
手的方向。
Ooh, let's count it, right? How long it will take to make this
这个大概
These
是
lovely patterns. At the same time, you see our screen here. 给大家看一下 screen， 给大家看 screen 那边。You see our screen here. Here, we can see the drawing. It's getting clear. It's getting complete. After this part completes, the drawing is also complete. Okay. Around like 10 seconds, it will finish. Is there any new friends here? Adam, welcome here. Mario, welcome, welcome. And if you have any questions, please leave a message. And if you want to get more information, don't forget to click the product list to see it. And also, one important thing to get the coupons you will have. Right. Coupons. The coupons. What is the policy?
For the promotion today in our live streaming, you have a lot of coupons and benefits. And the coupons, if you get order value more than $200, you have $10. Oh, here. Now you guys can have a look. So you can see here, if you order more than $3,000, you can have 50 discounts. And if you order more than $7,000, you can have $100 discount off. So these are besides the coupons, we also prepare very lovely gifts for you guys. And remember, if you recommend a new buyer for us to buy our machine from the live streaming, and then you also can have a free machine parts which worth $100. And besides, I will show you guys the lovely, and before I show you guys the lovely gifts, please don't forget to follow our channel and to subscribe our channel so you can find us the live streaming easily next time, okay? And let's see the first lovely gift, the red one. So for the new friends, I will introduce you one more time. And this one is, if you order more than $3,000, besides the coupons you will get, you also can get this lovely gift, which is the 3 pieces you need. You have the lovely notebook. You can see here. You can write notes, very convenient. And you also can have a red pen here. It's a real pen, guys. You can write it. You can write with the pen. And for this one, we also have a very cute USB. Can you see it clearly? And for this, for both sides, we can engrave special logo for you, only for you, whatever you want. And
yeah, as well, you can remember that when we're using this, we have used something like the USB, yeah, and you can use our gift, this USB, yeah, to get the related materials inside of it. Then you can use it for this carbon dioxide laser engraver and cutter.
Yeah, and if you want to get your logo or any image, any photos, you can just send it to us. We can make the free samples.
Yes, if you have ever watched our former live streaming, you must know that we have the laser marking machine.
Yeah.
A laser marking machine is especially to mark some words, logos, slogans in our USB.
Okay, and for this one, you can see the lovely white and blue box. And this, I will show you guys closer. Can you see it? So this one, if you order over $7,000, besides those coupons you can get, you also can get this lovely gift, which is the Chinese traditional porcelain tablewares. And it has 8 pieces, so you can share, enjoying the mealtime with your family. It's very cute. So don't hesitate. And if you are interested to get any machine, and please, you can go to our product page. We have 20 different types of the machine, and you can go to the link. And this machine we're showing now is the link 4, which is the PEDK 13090. And now we're going to show you the sample we just made.
Yeah, please see, this is the samples we just made, and the material of this one is the fabric, or you can call it textile. You can see here, we can see many different flowers that no matter it's large or small, and with some leaves here and some curving lines here, so it's very exquisite. And even though it's thin, we can still make the exquisite patterns for you. Yeah, here you can see it. And how about the parameters? You must interested in that, because it depends. Yeah, you can see it more clearly. Can you see that? You can see it more clearly. So no matter it's thin or thick, it actually based on the different parameters we can actually cover. So you can see here as this machine is 13090, this kind of this is the machine we are displaying, right? And about the 9060, the working arrow is much different. It's 900 plus 600 millimeter. It's the smallest size for the PEDK series. You can see here. So if you care about the space, you have to save your space. Please, you can choose this one. And for this one, it's more diverse. It has more diversified choice for your materials. And how about the laser power? It's no matter it's the 60 watts, 80 watts, 100 watts, 120 watts, or even 150 watts. All these 4 types machine can make this demand. And for the laser type, please remember it's the hermetic anti-detector carbon dioxide laser tube. Okay, let's see. The location accuracy is very important. It's the plus and minus 0.0125 millimeter. And about the cutting speed, you can see it's between 1 to 10,000 millimeter per minute. And as well, the engraving speed is 1 to 60,000 millimeter per minute. Okay. And how about the power controlling? Okay, you can see you can see that. And one thing to mention, the support graphics formats. As you know, it's very important to have to cover all different kinds of the graphics formats, no matter it's JPG or something like related to DXF and WMF, BMP, etc. All this can supported by our laser engraver and cutter. Okay, let's see this. You can just to get familiar about the information. Yeah. Okay, that's all for the parameter comparison. So, our engineer, could you please show us one more sample? Okay, this time is the colorful paper we have. And you can see here are the consumables. So I think this machine only have one thing that annoys me is the consumables is a little bit. Okay, let's see. Could you get this remains or consumables out of this working table? But actually, we can storage all this maintains, because here we have a containers. We have a containers here. Inside of it, could you see that? Could you see that? It's in this place. You can see my handle is in this place. So this remains can actually come to this containers, and we just need to clean the containers. Okay. Now we are positioning. You can see we're positioning by using our red light pointer. how to place order. Okay, don't worry about it. You can just click the product list, the product page. Yeah, you can see it. There are many different type of products. And what kind of products you want. If it's this machine is number 4. You can see more information and you will see how to place the order. Don't worry about that. You can click the products. Don't worry about that. Tiago, right? Tiago controllers. Please, just wait. What kind of products you want? Could you tell us what kind of products you want? Which one? Okay, if you want to order the products, you can contact our sales engineer. Please contact our sales engineer. They will answer you all related information about how to place the order and which one do you want and what kind of optional system you need. Okay. Shall we? Okay, we are doing this. So Tiago, are you interested in this carbon dioxide laser engraver and cutter? Are you interested in it? Please let us know. So if you want to know more about this, also let us know what factors you want to understand or to get more familiar with. Okay, now we got the samples. So wow, you can see it has some smoke here. It has some smoke here, but don't worry about that. We have the tube. And new friends, Claudio, Mary, Alessio, Viti, welcome to our live streaming. We're very glad to see you here. Okay, let's see it. Okay, this is the pattern here. Yeah, this is the. Wow, maybe we can. But there are many hollows. Here. Yeah, you can see it. Okay, so as we have shown it, yeah, thank you. As we have shown it, let us summarize. As we have shown you the acrylic, right? The acrylic, the fabric, as well as the paper. So what is the difference when cutting these different materials? You can see the thickness we actually can make. Yeah, can you guys see me very clear? Okay, now let's see. The max cutting thickness depends on the different materials we are using. And let's see, for the acrylic, if you are choosing the 40-watt power, the the acrylic materials can get the max cutting thickness is the 5 millimeter. You can see it's the 5 millimeter. And for the MDF materials, I once showed it to you. it only gets 1 millimeter thickness, and for wood is 3 millimeter. And about this, others like PVC, double color board, or rubber leather clothes, they all get the max cutting thickness is the 2 millimeter. Okay, and for paper it's 3 millimeter. And you can see with the power is getting larger. The max thickness is better. You can see it's better. 5 millimeter to 6 millimeter to 10 millimeter as well. You can see it's increasing. Yeah, that's all. So if you want to know one particular materials about its thickness, please also leave your message right now. Or you can also see this chart. You can see this chart in the product page. So don't forget to click the product page to see more information. Okay. Yeah, and last I should mention that the power we can choose is from 40 watts to 150 watts. Okay, and that's all for this one. So, okay, let's see the last samples here. The last samples what we are going to make is, it's a leather. I really like leather because I think this represents the high quality, right? The high quality. Here, yeah, this is. Now these are what kind of pictures we are going to do. Okay, let's see. Could you? Okay, yeah, we can see it. It's just like the similar patterns in our leather boots. You can see it clearly here. It's complicated. It's really complicated. I think the light. Okay, here you can see that. Great. So let's do this. Carlos Rivera, welcome to here. Comparison Group, welcome to here. Please click the live streaming page to get your coupons. We actually prepared a lot of gifts for you. Okay. Now let's position it. Position the correct place. The framework of engraving. How large the square it will be is about this. This is the framework. And by using our red light pointer, okay, we have done it. Let's do it. Yeah. Wow. You can see the smoke. You can see the smoke here. Don't worry about it. It will be squeezed. It will be squeezed in the tube behind our machine. Okay, now I think it's time to let our new friends here to know more about our promotion policy.
Since we got some new friends join our live streaming, so I will introduce our promotion today. Just for thank you for staying with us and for celebrating the coming September shopping festival. So as you can see here, if you order more than $3,000, you can have the $50 discount. And if you order $7,000, you can have the $100 discount. And by the way, because there was a friend was asking what kind of supports do we provide. So one of the support, very important thing is about the warranty. Usually we have only 12-month warranty, but now during the live streaming, we upgrade you guys to 24-month warranty time. So it is a really good deal to place your order during the live streaming. Okay, so besides the coupons, and we also prepare some lovely gifts. Before I show you the lovely gifts, please don't forget to follow our channel you can see there is a button here, right? You can see it here. The follow button, please click it, and after you follow our channel and you subscribe our channel, and then you can easily find our live streaming next time. Okay.
Oh, my dear friend Dave Thomas, thank you so much to follow our live streaming.
Thank you,
we
Dave
really
Thomas.
appreciate that.
Yeah, and I remember that was you, Mr. Dave Thomas, asking the question, what kind of support do we provide, right? And plus, just now what I mentioned about the warranty time, the support we also provide 24 hours after sales customer service. That means if you buy the machine from us and within the 24 hours, not within, actually, and anytime you want, and if you have any questions within 24 hours, we will answer your question. And our team is very professional. 95% of our teammates are bachelor and master degree. So we can also answer your question within 2 hours, which is very quick response. All right, and please don't forget to click the like button here, right at the right side. Can you see it here? Please click the like button and to show your support for us. Thank you very much. And now I'm going to show you guys, besides the coupons, here are some lovely gifts we prepare for you guys. Okay, so for the red lovely small box, let's check inside. For the new friends, let me introduce you one more time. What do we have here? We have the 3 pieces unit, which first one we have the notebook, which is really cute. And it's very convenient. You can easily put into your bag, and you can write on it, write the notes, you know. Yeah. And of course, we prepare the pen for you, so you can write anything. You can write the notes with the pen we prepare for you on the notebook, and it's the red one. And we also have the, can you see this little cute USB? Can you see it? So for this one, the both sides, we also can use our machine to engrave the image or anything you want, the logo, especially for you. So this one is, this gift is for if you order over $3,000, so you can have the coupons and these lovely gifts. Okay, so I will show you guys more gifts, which is if you order over $7,000, so you can enjoy the coupons. At the same time, you will get the lovely gifts. You can see here. Can you see it clearly? Yeah? Okay, so this one is this beautiful tablewares, which is 8 pieces, the Chinese traditional porcelain, and you can enjoy with your family. It's so nice. I wish I could have it. It's very good deal. And remember, for the order and the gifts, is especially for the coupons and the gifts, if you place the order in the live streaming today, like right now, you can enjoy it. So don't hesitate. If you are interested in the machine, just don't hesitate to contact with us. You can chat with us, you can call us, or you can send the inquiries to our sales engineer. You can go to the product page and chat with us, okay?
Okay, now we have finished our processing. Yeah, here we can see this is the letter we made by our engraver and cutter. Yeah, you can see it. Yeah, could you see the clear hollow out patterns here? Yeah, could you see it? Wow, could you see that? It's actually made by this carbon dioxide engraver and cutter, and you can see there are many hollow out patterns there. Those big one, the small one, and even with different shape of it. So if you have any creative design about the leather materials, please do not hesitate to let us know your design. You can call us, call our sales engineer as well as you can send our message through the WhatsApp, or you just contact us by phone. Yeah, So let us know your design. We can make it. We can realize it. We can make it. Okay, and that's all for the samples presentation. So, what would you want to know? What would you want to know about the? Okay, now how about the wood materials? Yeah, here is a new sample we're going to make for you. So please welcome our engineer here to make it. Okay, is there any new friends here? Fiona, is there any new friends?
Welcome Ohan at Mac. I'm sorry if I read your name wrong. And welcome.
Wow, it's more difficult, I think. He's in is that your real name? It's so complicated.
Anyways, welcome the new friends to join our live streaming.
Okay, here comes the new friend, Isam Kamal. Welcome here, and we are making a new sample. And the material is wood. So let's see it. Let's just patiently wait it. And this is our carbon dioxide laser engraver and cutter machine. And by using this machine, we can actually process nearly all non-metallic materials, such as the fabric, the leather, the wood, or the bamboo, or plastic like the PVC, this kind of materials. And now, what is the next step we're doing? So here, you can see this is the working table, and here next to that, we can see this is the LCD screen control. Yeah, and in this screen you can see the picture we're going to engrave. This is the picture we're going to engrave, and next to that we have all the parameters we have to ensure before we do the engraving. For instance, this has the fire, the speed, the max power. The max power is 95%, and the main power is still 95%. And also we have the time. The time will cost 4 minutes, right? The time will cost 4 minutes. You can see here. We also can give you the I think you can see that. Can give you the timetable as well as the status. That is the idle status. Okay, and if you want to adjust it, please just press the button. You can see, you can press the button here and change the parameters to things that you want. Okay, let's do this. Okay, here in our screen control, could you?
这个显示出来它已经被加工了。
Yeah, what we can see is already be processed, and below that, the blank one is what we are going to engrave. You can see. So let's come to the central part here. Yeah, here. Dave, as you mentioned before, well, we can support you, and you are looking for the content. Okay, let me summarize what we have described in our live streaming. In the former time, we have mentioned the whole series of the carbon dioxide engraver and cutter, and later on we introduce you the different parts of this machine to let you get a clear understanding of what it is, how it operates. And later on, we also give you many many main features about this machine, as well as the parameters compared with different types of the PEDK series. And now let me show you the comparison of the advantages between ours and other suppliers. So first, for the thickness of the body shell. Perfect Laser adopts the thicker body shell, and the thickness reaches 3 millimeter, which is more safe and distortion prevention for 5 to 10 days. And about other suppliers' thickness is only 1.5 millimeter. It's only 1.5 millimeter, but ours we can reach 3 millimeter. And the machine for other suppliers will be defaulted easily after 1 year. After 1 year, they might be defaulted easily, which will decrease the cutting accuracy. So you can see here, we are making the samples, then later you will see the cutting accuracy. And for the working table, Perfect Laser adopts the US importing working platform made of the aluminum alloy, this type. This is the working platform, and we are using the imported components from US. And this is made of aluminum alloy, so it's very, you can see it's very sturdy, it's very hard. It's not easily get broken, which is rusty, low bearing, and not easy to deform. However, maybe you can see some other suppliers' platform. It's made of iron. It's made of iron, it will rust a long time later, and long time load bearing will cause the sunk deformation. I got a picture for you. Yeah, here is the picture. You can see it clearly about the working table here. This is the knife working platform. However, you can see here we have the honeycomb. This is the honeycomb, and this is the knife working table. We have two kinds of working table for your choice. And about other suppliers platform, this one, so you can see it will rust for a long time usage, and the long time load bearing may cause the sunk deformation. So it will be very frustrating, especially for some mass production. The efficiency should be proved or should be demonstrated only by this kind of working platform. And how about the laser tube? For some new friends, maybe you didn't see my introduction about the 130900. However, you can see this. This is a picture. This is actually behind of this machine. It's the laser tube, and inside of it you will see the carbon dioxide. It's a little bit pink. The Perfect Laser's lifespan is, and you can see this, is 10,000 hours. Every laser tube must pass the professional inspection just before delivery. The light spot is more exquisite and precise. However, for others, they only have 3,000 hours for other suppliers. So this is a big difference. And for lots of things, it's about the laser parts. The laser parts. I've mentioned that for some new friends coming here, we have some optional parts for your choice. That is the rotary system, as well as the lifting system, and also the toolbox for free. Okay, and that's all. However, for some other suppliers, maybe you don't get the optional parts. Okay, all our samples have already finished, right? Our samples have already finished, right? And this is, do you know what it is? This is the juniper. You can see here. Please, could you see that clearly? Can you see this? This is actually the juniper. It can be used as a lovely gift for your friends to get some, and also you can get some words here. You can get some words here to write it to your friends or to some acquaintance. Could you see that clearly? This is the juniper here. Okay. Oh, I can see some new friends. Carlos, welcome. Carlos Rivero, welcome here. And Churro Choktemiso. Welcome. Any new friends are welcome in our live streaming. And don't forget to get the lovely gifts you want. And also, please do not forget to click the coupons in our live streaming page. And for our today's live streaming products, this is number 4 in our product list. In our product list is number 4. Okay, here. That's all for our presentation of the samples. So here I have mentioned a lot of times about the rotary fixture as the optional item. First one is this is used for the cylindroid or some round wine glass. It can be used. We can use the rotary fixture, to engrave and cut it. As well, we have the electric lifting platform. It's beneath this working table. It's beneath it. And it used to adjust it up and down, so it can make a flexible adjusted to a good thickness of the products. As well, we have the auto feeding and rolling system. Actually, if you add this auto feeding and rolling system, it comes to the next series of our products. I have mentioned it in our whole series products. And as well, we have the CCD camera for label edge cutting. Actually, I think the CCD camera is especially for customers who pay much attention to the higher accuracy and precision of their products. Okay, and how about the consumables? And this is a little bit annoying for us, right? Because it has the consumables. And it even has 3 types of it. For the laser tube, this one, this glass, the laser tube, it has the 10,000 hours lifetime. So for a year, you might need 1 to 2 pieces of it. So please, if you just count it, how many years you need this machine, you have to prepare the suitable pieces to afford this. And also we have the USA imported reflect mirror. I want to say that for this machine we have 4 mirrors. However, they are not permanent. It is high transparent rate and efficiency and long lifespan. However, you still need to prepare 3 to 6 pieces of it. Okay, and the last thing is the focus lens. You can see the focus lens. Focus lens is in our red light pointer. And for these things, for a year, you need 1 to 2 pieces of it. So just count down it. If you need 10 years, how many you need? It's about 10 to 20 pieces of it. Okay, so that's all for the consumables. If you are interested in that, please leave your message, okay? And now let's welcome back our Fiona, our host here. Welcome.
Hello, I'm back. And thank you, Ms. Autumn, for the detailed introduction of the carbon dioxide laser engraving and cutting machine.
Yeah.
And you remember, guys, actually our perfect laser, we provide the customer service, which is we have the special ability for your special design and customized ability. So actually if you have any, sorry, just give me 1 second. And if you have any your special design or pictures, feel free to send us your design and materials. We can make the free samples for you. All right, and so Miss Autumn, because just now you are very professional, and I think we got some questions from the customers.
Oh,
Would
really?
you like to answer for us?
Of course, it's my pleasure.
Okay, so here are some questions from our customers.
Okay.
The number 1 is, what kind of materials can be compressed by the laser engraving and cutting machine?
Okay, I think all the viewers have seen so many samples we've made. So the machine can engrave and cut all kinds of non-metallic materials, such as acrylic, MDF, wood, bamboo, PVC board, as well as fabric, artificial leather, paper, carpet, cloth, etc.
So basically, as long as it's non-metallic materials,
Yes.
we can engrave and cut on it, right?
Yes,
Okay.
we can actually, to be more precise, we can engrave it. But for cutting that, still have some materials cannot make it. So
Okay.
please remember that.
Okay.
Okay.
And for the second question, what is the cutting accuracy and the position accuracy?
Okay, the cutting accuracy is plus and minus 0.02 to 0.03 millimeter, and the positioning accuracy is plus and minus 0.02 to 0.03 millimeter. I think I'm like a rapper here.
Wow, it sounds just amazing, right?
Yeah.
Okay, and now here is the third question. What
Okay.
materials are suitable for the strip working table and honeycomb working table?
Okay, it seems like you are questioning what is the difference of the strip board and the honeycomb working table, right? Okay, the strip working table is suitable for cutting hard and heavy objects such as the wood, acrylic, MDF, PVC board, and the loading ability is better. And for the honeycomb working table is suitable for cutting soft materials, especially for garment industries such as the fabric, the clothes, and artificial leather, carbonet, and so on. So by adding a vacuum absorbing platform, it can absorb the soft materials to avoid moving during machines cutting. So you can see here, inside of it and beneath this working table, we actually can get to add this soft system to ensure that all the things can be absorbed easily. Yeah.
Oh, okay, I see. So basically, the stripping working table for heavy object, right?
Yes.
And for the honeycomb working
Table,
yeah,
yeah.
working table, the professional words, and it's only for soft materials, right?
Yes, that's
okay.
right.
And the fourth question is, when should equip with the lifting platform, and what is the lifting range?
Okay, generally when the thickness of the engraved object is thicker than 20 millimeter, we'll recommend you to add an extra lifting platform to lower down the working table automatically. And the lifting platform is an optical item for this machine, and the lifting range is 300 millimeter.
Okay, and so here's another question. And then, can water chiller be protected against to the power failure?
Okay, of course, yes. The water chiller has alarm and power failure protection design.
Okay.
Yeah, I was mentioning when at the beginning of our live show, because when we power it off, it will alarm and stop working to protect the laser tube in case the machine is overburning. So it's really important.
That's very great. And here's another question. Then what software is used?
Okay, we use Radar Professional Laser Engraving and Cutting software. It's actually a very professional software with friendly interface and support many different formats. So don't worry about its operation. Any engineer can get it even though it's new here.
So the radar, right?
It's Radar.
Okay, and what are the consumables for the machine?
Okay, the consumables are laser tube, one set of reflect mirror and focus lens. Normally, we recommend you buy extra 2 pieces of the laser tube and one set of mirror and lens for backup. So it can be delivered together with the machine. It will be safe for the laser tube delivery since the laser tube is made by glass and easy to get broken if we deliver it separately. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Good to know, And then how to choose the focus lens?
Okay, the focus lens actually depends on the cutting thickness of materials. We have focus lens of 50 millimeter, 63.5 millimeter, and 100 millimeter. Bigger diameter is used for thick materials. So if you want to both cut and engrave, we will recommend you 63.5 5 millimeter and focus this kind of focus length. If you want to cut thick materials, we recommend you 100 millimeter focus length.
Wow. Oh, and I saw a question is about our company.
Okay.
So the friends is curious that are we a factory or a trade company?
Okay, I think all friends could know that, my dear friends, Perfect Laser is a factory and we have 20 years production experience in laser field. We have customized abilities according to a special requirement for laser marking. To be honest, if we have more time, I really want to give you a room tour of our factory indeed.
Yeah, welcome to visit our factory anytime if you come.
Yeah.
And then how long is the lead time?
The lead time is 7 to 10 working days, so please feel free to contact with our sales manager right now to start your purchasing plan so you can get the machine very soon.
Yeah, right now if you're interested, just place the order. And then how about the warranty?
Okay, the warranty, normally our warranty time is 12 months, while today in our live show, we will prove you that we can prolong it into 24 months warranty for the whole machine. It's really a good chance to buy one during this month.
It's a very good deal.
Yeah.
And then what is the trade term?
Okay, actually both the FOB, CIF, CFR, EXW are favorable, so it's just the needs by our customers. What kind of terms you want, you are favorable, you can choose that.
And then what is the payment method?
We accept wire transfer and Western Union, also the Alibaba Trade Assurance.
Wow, that's very convenient. And then what about the after-sales service?
Perfect Laser is responsible for lifelong after-sales service, including installation, training guidance, software updating, so you can be rest assured to order from us.
And then do you have any certificates?
Certificate, of course we have. All the machines have passed the European CE and ISO certificate. It's compliant with the European safety standard and worth to buy it.
And for the certificate parts, we will show you guys later.
Okay.
Yeah, and do you arrange shipment for the machines?
Of course, we can arrange shipment based on FOB, CIF terms by sea or by air. We have very professional team for shipping. For ESW price, shipment should be arranged by your own shipping agent.
And then what about the packing?
All the package are compliant with the international level, so please don't worry. We will deliver the machine from our factory to your site very soon, and it will be safe for you.
Thank you, Miss Autumn, for the very professional answer. And for now, and guys, if you have any other questions or if you have any question, please feel free to contact us, and you can call us, contact us, or chat online, or send inquiries to us. And now I'm going to show you guys, so just in case we have new friends, so I'm going to show you guys just now we just mentioned about the certificate. So
Here, yeah.
thank you. So first, this one, now you guys say, this one is the certificate certified by the Ross. You can see here. Can you see it clearly? Yes? Okay. So all our machines are qualified by the international institution. Yeah, so don't be worried, and you don't need to have no worries to purchase from our company. And here, so since, we need to hurry up. So, and this one is the CE certificate. Can you see it clearly? Yes? Okay. And one more, we also have can you see here? The Golden Supplier Certificate by SGS. You can see the logo here. And one more last thing. So I want to introduce you guys about the promotion one more time. So just in order to thank you for staying with us and to celebrate the shopping festival, which is this month, the September shopping festival. So we prepare lots of coupons and lovely gifts for you guys. So as you can see here, so we have different coupons. If you order over $3,000, you can get $50 discount off, which is a good deal, huh? And if you order over $7,000, you can get $100 discount. And plus, about the warranty time, normally it's only 12 months, but in this live streaming room, then we upgrade your warranty time. We upgrade it to 24-month warranty, which is 2 years. All right, and one more last thing. Please, you can click the follow button here. Can you see it clearly? Yes. And you can subscribe our channel, and then you can find our live streaming very easily next time. And then also please give us a like at right side here. And guys, besides those coupons, we also have the lovely gifts.
Yeah.
So as I mentioned just now, so if you order more than 3,000, you can have the coupons, right? And also in the live streaming, we prepare the lovely gifts. So the first one is this one. So if you order for over $3,000, you can have this 3 pieces gift, which one is the notebook. Here you can see here, it's a very thick one. You can see here, and it's good quality. And also we have a pen as well, the red pen, and you can write it. And also, like I said, we have a USB. We can engrave the logo, special logo for you. And as you can see, the coupons here, we have also another benefit. If you share or recommend us to for a new user for purchasing, to buy the, sorry, my tongue is, if you recommend a new user for us and which order from our company, you can also get a $100 card, which worth $100. You can get a free machine parts. And we have one more gift. This is the tablewares, which is the Asian Chinese porcelain. I will show you guys how beautiful it is. So let's have a look. And this is 8 pieces. You can enjoy with your families. And it's very good quality. And please, if you are interested in the machine, please don't hesitate to call us, to contact with us. And remember, all these coupons and the lovely gifts are valuable, valid during this month, the shopping festival, which is September. So you can place the order as soon as possible. And the machine we just show you guys is link 4, which is PEDK 13090. And we also have 20 different other, the different more products from our product page. So if you want to check more, you can go have a look. And here we have, we got more coupons. This part, dun, 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 dun. The surprise. So the surprise gifts, like I said, we have the lovely notebook 3 pieces and the 8 pieces, the tablewares. And also we have the business card, which worth $100. So please, if you are interested, just contact with us. And if you are interested to buy the machine, don't hesitate. Just place the order as soon as possible because these are valid during this live streaming. So, and for now, yes, we need to, so guys, I know you already know the promotion, right? So now you can take out your mobile phone and I will give you 10 seconds. You can do the screenshot and you can send the picture to our sales engineer just to prove you are with us, you watch the live streaming, Okay, so are you ready? Get your mobile phone ready? All right, so Miss Autumn, can you count with me?
Yeah, my pleasure.
Are you ready? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay.
All right, thank you guys. So, and Now above is about the machine we introduced for you guys is the carbon dioxide laser engraving and cutting machine. And today we prepare one more machine for you guys. And before we introduce the new machine for you, I want to mention one more thing is about this special machine is it can engrave and cut different patterns on the non-metallic materials, such as bamboo and the leather and the wood. So if you are interested, just contact with us, okay? And for now, I'm going to introduce.
Oh, do you want to introduce another product?
Yeah, so I'm going to introduce you guys another product which I remember one customer was asking in our live streaming. Well, he was curious whether we're going to introduce the 3D crystal laser machine. So hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Perfect Laser. And I'm today's host Fiona. I'm very happy and I feel great honor to be here to introduce Perfect Laser to you. So Perfect Laser is a professional manufacturer of the laser equipment since 1995. Until now, we have 20 years history in this laser field. So don't worry, you can definitely trust our company. And plus that, we have all our products have the certificates, which are the CE, ISO, and ROS certificate, which certified by the International Inspection Institute, such as SGS, TUV. And plus, as a result, plus we have a great talent team. As you can see before, we have the engineer showing us how to do the machine. So, and we during our teammates, 95%, they are bachelor and master degree. So we can provide you 2 hours quick response, which is one of the support, and we can provide you 24 hours after sales customer service to you all over the world. And we also, for our products, which have already exported to more than 180 countries. For example, Germany, USA, Korea, Japan, UAE, and many other countries. And it already had a good reputation from our customers. And our company, Perfect Laser, our goal is very simple. We just want to sell the high-valued products at a reasonable price, and we also want to provide you the good customer service. And okay, so before I introduce you guys the 3D crystal laser cutting machine, so once again, I'm going to introduce you our the coupons, the benefits for you guys in the live streaming. So as you can see here, I'm going to go closer. So if you order here, if you order over $3,000, can you see it clearly? Yes, and you can get a $50 discount. And if you order more than $7,000, you can get $100 discount, which is a really good deal. And plus, for the warranty time, we also upgrade you guys. So normally it's only 12-month warranty time, but now in the live streaming, we upgrade you guys to 24-month warranty time, which is really a good deal. So, and remember, it is valid for this whole month, the September shopping festival. And also, guys, I'm here again. So don't forget to follow our channel, subscribe it, and then so you can easily find our channel and you can easily find our live streaming, because we have more machines to introduce you for next live streaming. And then for this one, also don't forget to click this button. Give us the like, the thumb king. Okay, and I'm going to show you guys the lovely gifts. During the live stream, we prepare, besides the coupons, we have the lovely gifts which this one is if you order upside down again. If you order more than $3,000, you can have this 3 pieces unit, which it has one notebook, it has one pen, it has one USB, and for the USB, you can see it here. So for the USB, can you see it clearly? So for this one, we also can engrave the special logo for you. So if you order this and if you have any idea for your logo, you want the only special for you, we can make it for you, both sides. Okay? And let's see what other lovely gifts we have for you. So this one, you see the big white and the blue box. So here, let's have a look inside. Wow! So this one, can you see it clearly? So I'm going to show you guys one by one, okay? Can you see it? So this one is the tablewares, 8 pieces. And this is also the ancient Chinese porcelain. And you see the beautiful flowers. And you can use this with your family. It has a great time with your family. So as you can see, we have really good promotion and good deals in this live streaming. So if you are interested, please don't hesitate to contact with us. Possible. And as you can see here, also we prepare the membership card, which is the metal business card worth $100. And for this, if you recommend a new user to order the machine from us, you can get the free machine parts, which worth $100, which is a really good deal. Okay. So now today we're going to show you the 3D crystal laser engraver. And for the 3D crystal laser engraver, it can engrave the beautiful 3D image inside of the crystal and glasses, and which is really nice. So now let's welcome our professional sales engineer, Miss Autumn, to introduce you guys for this machine. Let's give a round of applause.
Hello, any new friends here? Okay, Fiona, would you please come here?
Yeah.
Okay, I need you. Okay, now as we have mentioned, today's another machine is the 3D engraving machine, right? So what it actually can do and what the 3D the samples look like. So here, let's take it.
So I'm going to take
Okay.
show you guys the samples.
So here are the samples. Wow. I think it's prettier, the leathers or fabric materials, right? So here you can see all these are nearly the crystal thing, yeah, the crystal materials, and have different shape. Like this is a square shape, right?
Yeah.
The cube type or the cube type. And however, we still have this. This is a irregular type. You can see. Here we have the different, like something maybe the triangle or multiple angles with this materials. And so one more thing we will do today when we are presenting you the materials is that the thickness, you can see the thickness are totally different. So let's see it. Which one do you want to see first? I give you the choice.
Actually, I want to see this cute keyring.
Okay, this one is actually the smallest, right? The smallest gift we are presenting today. And you can see here. Can you see that?
Can you see clearly?
No, I think maybe they need this one. Okay, you can see a cute baby. I can say that. Yeah, cute baby. And welcome. Oh, I can see there are many new friends here. Charles, Mostaf, Lee, Alta, Amit, Sif, welcome here. So now we are presenting the samples made by our 3D engravers. And the first thing is actually a ring, and you can add your keys here. You can add your keys here, and this can be seen as the here. Yeah, this can be seen as the beautiful decorations. Okay, here. Oh, okay, one more thing I should mention. It has a lovely function of this one. Okay,
I think maybe it's this one, right?
Which one? Yeah, you can
let's try.
it.
Because one, it has.
Is that this one? Okay, it is this one.
Oh, okay.
Here you can see, let me some magical thing will happen. Is there?
The magic time.
Oh! Maybe I got something wrong. It doesn't okay. I want to get your product catalog. Of course, you can get it. You can get it. Do you want the catalog of our 3D laser crystal laser engravers? We will send it to you. Miss, let me see, Miss Steffi will give you the product catalog. Please wait. We'll give you.
Just give us a second.
Our sales manager will give you. And could you please leave your contact information, and our sales manager will contact you. Okay, this is only one sample here. I will not give up. I will try another one. Maybe this one. I will try.
Because actually it has lights. It can be shining from inside. Oh, so this one magic comes.
It's shining. It's
Can
shining.
you see? Can you see the lights? It has the lights.
Have you ever heard the song from Rihanna, "Shining Like a Diamond"?
Yeah. So this one, it has. We can engrave the image, and we also, you can put the small battery inside, and then you can. Okay, let's
see the next thing. Okay, actually,
Oh, so actually we can put the crystal ball on top of this. This is like a base. Can you see? Can you guys see clearly? I'm going to come closer to show you guys. So this is a base. This part is the base part, and you have the crystal ball on top of that.
And inside of this crystal ball, you will see the whole earth.
Yeah,
you can see the whole earth.
You can see the
here.
different colors.
And as for me, I like traveling, so I think this will be a nice and also a exquisite gift for me if someone would send it to me. And you can see the light is different. Some purple, some red one. Yeah, you can just roll it around to get the positioning. Maybe we can get Asia, right? You can get Asia from the front side, and it just depends on you. You can change it. And here, this is the ball, right? And here we get some square size of it. Yeah, here. Yeah, again, inside of it, we can see some juniper. And this is the 3D patterns. You can see that clearly.
Can you see it?
Yeah, you can see it clearly. Let's roll it up. Wow, can you see that? Yeah, it's very exquisite. I must to say that again. Here you can see, and also, Fiona, please take it from me. And also, let me give you another thing. Okay, this one. This one is called Huanghe Tower. It's the most famous tower in Wuhan. Yeah, if you come to Wuhan, I recommend you to visit here. Yeah, maybe it cannot be said as the most famous, but no, it cannot be said that. But I love this place, so I would recommend you to visit if you come to Wuhan. And for this is Dubai Tower. Yeah, if you any Dubai customers here, if you are from Dubai, please click one. Please click one. Yeah, here we can see the 3D portraits of the Dubai Tower.
It's so beautiful.
So
and it is inside of the crystal.
So I guess you may see it in some tourist resorts.
And guys, do you remember the magic we just felt? And now it's coming back. So this one, the cute keyring. See, you can see.
Yeah.
So it has the cute cartoon image inside, and also it has the light, so
Yeah.
it can be bling bling, you know, shiny.
Yeah, I guess if you're wearing this, when you're walking down the street, you must be the coolest guy in this street.
Welcome, Prince Kingsley, and welcome, Ivy Blankenhorn, and welcome, Rameshi S. Welcome, guys.
Welcome, guys. Do you like the samples? If you like, we can send it for you for free, okay? And please remember, it's better. It will be better if you can choose our products here.
Welcome, Michael Patton.
Michael Patton will come here. Okay, this is small one, and we also have some bigger one, like this. I think this is useful. Yeah, this is useful. Maybe this will be larger. Yeah. Yeah, here you can see this is the leather size of it. You can see that it's the leather size of it, and it can be cut by the carbon dioxide engraver and cutter we once introduced before. And here inside of it, you can see the 3D dimensions. It's actually it can measure your eyesight, right, Fiona?
Yeah.
Are you a short eyesighted?
Yes.
You really? I'm also a short eyesighted, so I think it's useful for me. No matter, it can be used as a gift to just to see it, to appreciate it. Also, I can measure it, by just putting it in my table, right? And anytime I want to measure it, just will be freely.
And what about the trophy?
Yeah, the trophy, I have to measure that. I guess it will be useful for customers who are in the advertisement industry, because they have to make this trophy for some companies, like in an annual year anniversary. They will prize the best sellers. You can see the first quarter of 2020 sales star Alice. So I think it's very important or significant to prize people who are doing well in their work, right? As well as some people who are making progress. Making progress. And also we can leave the company's logo here and with some words as well. Actually, if you are fashionable, you can actually get some patterns here, the 3D patterns.
Can you imagine how beautiful it is?
Yeah, I think this is 2D. I guess this is 2D. You can see the words is 2D. But the pictures, the portraits we once made in 3D. No matter the pictures are 3D or 2D, we can make it. Even though you give us the 2D portraits, by using our software, we can transfer it to 3D. So please just keep on watching. We will show it later. And okay, that's all for our samples presentation. So now let me give you a more detailed introduction of the whole series of our 3D engravers. The series of it. Okay, let's see. Here you can see, thank you, Fiona. Here you can see this machine here. I will describe it later, but before that, let's see the 3D crystal laser engraver here. This is the four types of 3D laser engraver. First is the C1, A2, A1, and the 0812. You can see the three types actually, they are similar. The difference is the dimension here. You can see this is the smallest one. It has 100 plus 100 millimeter. It's a small type with the small format 3D crystal engraving machine. And it's hot selling, you can see. And today we'll show you this one. It's just the size difference. For this A2, we got the 400 plus 320 millimeter. This is the thing. This is the machine we are going to detailedly introduce. And for the next two machine here, you can see here we get a computer display here. It's connected with this machine. This is the 450 plus 450 millimeter with the integrated PC system. So if you buy it, you have already get a computer here. So it's really economical for you. And for this 0812 is larger. You can see it's nearly several times larger than the C1 as well as the A2. So if you are facing the mass production, please just choose this one. This is the large size crystal laser engraving machine. Okay, you can see they are similar. So I will introduce the different structure of this machine. Okay, Here, let's come to see. Yeah, here, let's come to see the machine. Okay, before that, before I introduce the several parts of the components, let's see what kind of samples it can make. Before that, we have shown it can make some crystal crafts, right? With the square crystal as well as the spherical crystal, like the ball crystal, right? And also for some keychain, like the trophy, the wedding photography, you can add it to the crystal, and also some 3D portrait, the 3D camera. Okay, here comes to the machine. And on this table, we can see there is also a computer display here. And you can see here, this is actually the air cooling system. It's different from what we mentioned about the carbon dioxide engraver and cutter. The carbon dioxide engraver and cutter using the water cooling system, but this is the air cooling system. It can make sure the high efficiency and the high performance when using this machine. And okay, let's come to the below here, the below buttons here. It has two buttons, the green one and the red one. Of course, you know that the red one is for urgency, right? For emergency, anything get wrong, just press it immediately and the machine will stop. Okay, and here we can see this is the protection cover, the acrylic protection cover here, so it can save our operators as well as the machine, because when it's operating, it can proves the dust free, the water free. Okay, here. Okay, could you get the camera? Could you get it lower down? So that we can see the working table of this machine. Is really important for the 3D crystal engraving. Okay, could you see that? Let me check it. Oh, it's so pity that you can see the whole picture. But don't worry about that. I will point it to you. So here you can see from this acrylic cover, you might see it. There is a scanning head. And the scanning head has the high performance and high reliability, so it can provide us the great laser. And the laser will come to this place. You can see this is the working table, and this you can see. It's flexible. It's flexible by this transforming trail here. It's flexible by the transforming trail. And one more thing to mention is it has the X, Y, Z axis motor. The X, Y, Z axis motor realize the 3D crystal engraving. Yeah, here you can see this X here. X is here. And the Y is here. Yeah, you can see. I'm afraid you will not see that clearly. It doesn't matter if you want to see a detailed structure in this place. You can check it by click the product page to find more information. Okay. And if you have any questions related to this structure, please leave a message as well. Okay, and also get the camera here. If you want to engrave the crystal, just put the crystal here. I will show it to you. The crystal here, and put it at the corner. Just put it at the corner here. Then don't move it and close the cover. It will work. Okay, it's really simple and it's really convenient for the operators. Okay, that's all for this course introduction. So let's come to here. Here we also have the laser source. The laser source and the supporting system are all from the international brand and imported with the high technology. Okay, and that's all for this machine. So would you join me to welcome our engineer to make some samples and to open it? Okay, let's welcome our engineer. Okay, first we press the red button and then the green button. Okay, then wait a minute. Here, you can get closer. Here, you will see there are 4 types of software here. It's very important, and we will send it to you when we deliver this machine. It will together with all this software, and we'll save it in our USB, and send it to you. They are very crucial to realize the 3D patterns. Yeah, here, and you can see one software is for 2D images. So even though you have the 2D images, you want to get it into 3D, don't worry, just use this software. It will realize that, okay? And engineer, you can continue. Okay, this is the laser control operating software. We will open it first. Okay. And then we will input the files. To find the files, okay, you can see this is the CAD file format. This is the CAD file format. Also can support many different formats. This is the fish. You can see the difference. Okay, you can see here. The picture size X is 38.8, and the Y is 68.4, and Z is 18.4. Yeah, okay, got this. It means that after we finish this engraving, the picture will be totally meet this parameters. Okay, let's do this.
第二个是放在工作台上放上水晶。
Okay. After we ensured about the size, the dimension, now it's time to put our crystal on our working table. Here.
放到左上角。
Yeah, like I said, we should put it at the end at this corner of the working table. Could you see that? Okay.
关上这个门。
And then close the cover.
可以开始加工。
Now we are processing it. Start. Yeah, here. Yeah, just wait a second. Here you can see. I think this software is really easy. All the software is actually R&D by us by Perfect Laser. It's very simple for you to use, and it's very convenient and friendly user experience you have. Okay, now let's start.
直接开始。
Let's start it. Here, see. Magical moment will come. Wow, can you see the green light here? The green light. As we have set it the X, Y, Z dimensions. Now the pictures will be engraved in this crystal. It only costs you about 1 to 2 minutes, so it's really fast. And also, when it is operating, we have no need to open it, to touch it. It's totally easy to cover it and let it operate. Okay, we have done it. I guess only 1 minute. Let's see it. Wow. Fishes are coming. Fishes are coming. Fishes are coming. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. Here is the side face. Here we have some grasses here, and above that is some fishes. Okay, welcome new friends, Robert, Ahmed. Welcome here. This is the first sample we've made by our 3D crystal laser engraver. Okay, as we have seen it, okay, I think you can get more, yeah, because, oh no, still need that, still need it. Okay, Fiona, could you please help me? Okay, and now let's talk about the applicable industry for this 3D to 2D patterns engraving. The crystal glass and acrylic transparent materials can be carved the 2D and 3D portraits, and also some name footprints, and also the trophies we presented before, and other personalized gift souvenirs, but also the mass production of 2D and 3D animals, plants, here animal plants, and also animals, buildings, vehicles, ships, aircraft, and other buildings. Well, it's recommended for use in some urban scenic spots. Yeah, like we have seen the Dubai Tower, the Huanghe Tower from Wuhan, Dubai Tower from Dubai, and some lovely souvenirs in Paris, London, New York can also be supported, right? I think, and also for some photo printing shop can use it. The wedding, photography, tourism, souvenirs, and personalized gift shop. So, customers, my dear friends, if you are the boss of the gift shop, please just let us know. I guess you might need this 3D engravers, okay? And for the applied materials, I have to emphasize again, it's suitable for crystal, glass, acrylic, decoration materials, and other transparent materials, etc. One important thing is it should be transparent so you can see the 3D patterns inside of it. It's a little bit, it's less than the materials we can engrave and cut by our carbon dioxide laser engraver and cutter. But it doesn't matter, it have different functions. Okay, now let's see another samples we can make for you. Okay, engineer, could you please? Oh, okay. The next. Okay. The next sample we're making will be rose with some words inside of this crystal. Oh, you can get this. This is the. Yeah. We can see the. Yeah, we can see the clear 3D dimensions of this design, the whole design. Mom, I love you. You see, it writes "Mom, I love you," so it can be a good gift for your mom. And if you have any design and creative design, you can send us, we'll make it real for you. Okay, let's do this. Still, you can see the green light. Oh, Dave, Thomas, do you need a special lens to engrave the spheres? Actually, no, we don't need the special lens to engrave the spheres. Here, you can see inside of this, this is the scanning head we're using. This is suitable for the spheres materials as well as some materials like square crystal, keychain, trophy, or some wedding photography or portraits. Any 3D portraits can be used. So no matter if it's square or spheres. Dave, have you heard me? We don't need a special lens to engrave the spheres. This machine have already done it. And later on, we will let you know the additional or the optional items together with this 3D crystal engravers. And that is the 3D camera. However, the 3D camera is used to take a picture of a real person, a human body, and make this human body inside of the crystal. And that is our optional item. Besides that, no other optional items we'll need. So we have, Dave Thomas. Dave Thomas, hi, thank you for your message. We have seen it. You don't need a special lens to engrave the spheres. This machine can do it. We only have one lens inside of it, so no extra or additional lens needed. And for the optional item, that is the 3D camera. It's suitable, you can see it's suitable for various 3D surface data measured by using the color structural light measurement principle, and can be extracted from the 3D surface data with 0.5 seconds, really fast, 0.0 seconds, and can be widely used in large-scale measurement of the 3D objects, especially for some human body. You can see this is the 3D camera. And this is, sorry for that, especially used for the portrait engraving. The portrait engraving, like your baby's photo, you can see the baby's photograph, your photograph, or any real person's photograph, even some stars. If you like the stars, you can also take a picture of your stars, your idols, human body, and make it inside of this and send it to your idols as well. Okay, here. Sorry. Okay, and this is the parameters of our 3D camera. It's very pretty that we cannot show it right now about the 3D camera because it's totally new. We not have one sample here. However, you can still see this related information. The dimension of the 3D camera is 200 millimeter plus 160 millimeter plus 165 millimeter, and the weight is 3 kilogram. The weight is 3 kilogram. And for the accuracy, it can reach 0.2 millimeters. So it's very precise with this 3D camera. and some other information. Okay, oh, I see this 3D formats. 3D formats. We have the 3DS, DXF, CAD, ASC, and 3DV, and some other formats of the graphics. Okay, and that's all for this presentation. Okay, I think now it's time to show our samples. It has been done. It has been done. Let's see the samples here. Dave, if you have any questions, please let us know. Does your software contain a library of images? I think the software is. Yeah, Fiona, could you please help me to present the samples, and I'm going to answer the questions of Dave. Actually, the software is used for processing your pictures, your images. You can have your own images or pictures and use our software to process it. You know, to process it, to change it from 2D to 3D. Normally we will not give you the library of images. However, if you can tell us your main products, like your business, we can give you the relevant images you might need. Yeah, I think we can do that. And we are really appreciate if you could tell us more about your company and your business. Okay? Dave, I have remembered you, so I guess very soon our sales manager will contact you for more information, and we are glad to help you. Okay, now let's see the samples. This is a rose inside of the crystal. Let's roll it up. Wow, you can see it's so delicate. I really like this rose. I think it's even more beautiful than a real one. Okay, thanks. Okay, you are welcome. I'm very glad that I've answered your questions. So any more questions, just let me know. And you can see beneath the rose, there is a sentence, Mom, I love you. Mom, I love you. Yeah, you can change it into my kid, I love you, right? My friends, I love you. Anything that you want to write in this crystal. Okay, that's all for our samples presentation. Okay, one more sample here. Let's come to the last sample. The last samples we are going to make is, let's see. Yeah, as you have seen here, please come closer. Yeah, you can see here clearly. Dave or any other new friends who are curious about the software or the images, you can see here we have put three images in these files. However, if you want more, we can select a series of them to you. Like the roses we just made, and also the fishes, the roses, and something like the babies. So if you want this, we can send it to you by adding them to the files inside of our USB. Yeah. Okay, here. Let's make the samples. Wow, it's for Christmas. You can see it's the Christmas snowman. Merry Christmas. Okay, now it's not the Christmas Eve, but we are the coming festival is Mid-Autumn Festival. So you can some Chinese customer, you can change it into the Mid-Autumn Festival and get the ideal patterns you want. Okay, now let's do this. Again, put our crystal inside of this cabinet and align it to the corner of this working table, and then close our machine, close the cover. And start it. Okay, let's do this. During the procession, I will illustrate the difference of three types of engravers. That is the A1, A2, CE. The difference of their parameters and the size you can see here. The max engraving arrow for the A2 is 400 plus 320 plus 120 millimeter. And for A1 is 450 plus 450 plus 150 millimeter. And for the machine size, the largest size of these three types is A1. So if you want to choose, if you have a spare space for this machine, you can choose A1 type. However, if your space is narrow or is restricted, you can choose A2 or C1. C1 is the smallest size of this series. And about the repeat offside, the A2's repeat offside is 10 to 20 micrometer. And the weight of this machine is 185 kilograms. The laser we're using for this machine is YAG diode pump. That is the laser, yeah. The YAG diode pump is our laser. The average lead time for this machine is more than 20,000 hours. More than 20,000 hours. And for the accuracy of this machine is 20 micrometer to 40 micrometer. And are the blank crystal blocks expensive to buy? So it means that you don't have the blank crystal blocks, right?
And Mr. Dave Thomas, I just asked our sales engineer, it's not actually the blank crystal blocks, they are not expensive at all. And for the detailed price, maybe you can ask the sales manager. You can just, she will tell you the details. Thank you for Tiago for following us live streaming. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Tiago Contreras. Thank you so much to follow us. And I'm illustrating the parameters of our 3D crystal laser engraver. As we just finished the engraving, so let us show you the sample first. Fiona, could you please help me to show the samples?
Yes, sure.
Yeah, and I will continue my illustration of the parameters. Okay, you can show it and roll it out. Okay, about the package size of this machine is about 1060 plus 1060 plus 1460 millimeter. The accuracy, please remember the accuracy of this machine is 20 micrometer to 40 micrometer, okay? And the cooling system we're using is air cooling. You have already seen it in our table surface. It is used the air cooling system. And please remember, for some customers who pay attention to their environment, remember that this is dust-free when you are operating the 3D crystal laser engraving. It has the less dust and shock. The temperature is around 10 to 35 degrees. And yeah, that's all for this. That's all for this. And you have already seen the samples, right? It's so delicate. I hope you like it. And if you want this crystal, it's really, I cannot say it's really cheap, but it's not expensive, especially compared with this machine. So any prices request about our machine, no matter the carbon dioxide laser engraver and cutter or the 3D crystal engravers, please feel free to contact our sales manager. And to know more details in our product page and product number of this machine is number 2. It's number 2 for PEDPA2, and the number for the carbon dioxide engraver and cutter is number 4. It's number 4. Okay, and that's all for our today's introduction of the 2 machines. So let's welcome back our host, Miss Fiona. Let's welcome.
Hello, I'm back, guys. So thank you for all the detailed introduction about our 3D crystal laser engraving machine. And guys, remember, for our complete perfect laser, we have the ability which providing the special design and customized the design. So if you have your own design and materials, don't forget, you can feel free to send it to us and we can make free samples for you. Alright, Miss Autumn, here I got some questions about the 3D crystal laser engraving machine from the customers as well. So would you like to answer for us?
Okay, of course, but first, my dear friends and customers, if you have any questions, now is the best time. Leave your message. Let's answer all the questions together.
Yes, you can type your question just on the screen and we can answer you in the live streaming, okay? So the question number 1, what materials can be engraved by 3D crystal laser engraving machine?
Okay, it's suitable for crystal glass, acrylic decorating materials, and other transparent materials.
And what shapes of crystals can be engraved?
As long as the crystal can be placed on the engraving platform steadily, right? Any shape is okay. The round shaped crystals can be holding by a fixture.
Wow, that sounds so amazing.
Yeah.
And then what is the engraving area of this machine?
Okay, the working area of our machine is 450 plus 450 millimeter, while other manufacturers only 400 plus 300 millimeter. So we have larger working area than any other suppliers. And you can see that here. This is the working table in that place. Okay.
And then what is the engraving speed of this machine?
It has very high speed. It only takes 1 to 2 minutes. I think you have just experienced that, right? It's really fast.
Very fast.
For creating a crystal with like the 50 plus 50 plus 80 millimeter size, and it's also suitable for tourist resorts. The non-touches engraving process ensures that the surface of the crystalline lens keeps its original shape and quality.
And here's another question. What's the machine's volume?
Okay, our machine has a very small volume. The machine is less than 1 cubic meter, so it's suitable for putting the tourist and shopping mall.
Wow, so it's not very noisy, huh?
Yeah, and it will not occupy too much space for us.
And then how does this machine convert 2D pictures into 3D pictures for engraving?
There are 2 methods. The first is to shoot directly with the 3D camera, and the second is to use the software that comes with the machine to make 2D graphics into 3D graphics.
And what designs does the 2D to 3D software support?
I can say that 2D to 3D software supports both human portraits and flower patterns. In addition, it also supports 3 animal patterns, including cat, dog, and horses. As the software has these patterns inside, it has very high resolution. The pattern of engraving is exquisite and crystal clear and have strong 3D sense.
And there is another question. Can it engrave human portrait image?
Yes, of course. Just by adding a 3D camera, it can engrave real person, not picture, not cartoon, to form a 3D human portrait image. It's suitable for keep a good memory for your family, your lovers, your customers.
And how do you ensure the machine's quality?
Okay, first, from parts to the whole machine are drawn and designed by Perfect Laser's professional engineers. We also have the ability to design the machine for special needs of our customers. Our capacity of research and development is more reliable than other manufacturers. And second, during the production, is there any questions from our customers? Okay, let me continue. Our engineers will following up and checking to ensure that every part and every process to ensure the quality of the whole machine. And third, after the production finish, we will carry out 48 hours of uninterrupted working tests and 3 days aging test to ensure that you can receive the machine with high quality. It's like a gift and a surprise for you.
Yeah, it sounds very safe, and you can, if you are interested, you don't need to worry about the quality. And then there is another question: what's the difference for your machines compared to other suppliers?
Oh dear, my machine is different with other suppliers in the market. For one thing, for the location, Wuhan is the optical valley of China with the high technology level in the laser field. And Wuhan is also one of the developed city in China, same level as Beijing and Shanghai, But other suppliers are in the second level city. And for the second thing, for the technology, we can produce 1000-watt laser machine, but other supplier just can produce smaller power laser machine. Yeah, as I mentioned before, a larger power can realize a larger parameters of the thickness. And also, for company level, Perfect Laser has more than 20 years history in the laser production field. All the parts we use is the good brand around the world. We also have a professional team and more than 100 workers. However, but our company just have maybe a few years history. How dare you to buy from a new company only have 1 to 3 person, right?
Yeah, exactly.
And for the machine quality, we are in the laser production field for more than 20 years till now. We are very professional in 3D laser engraving field. Every part of our machine are used of the reliable brand in the world. We can ensure the quality based on so many years production experiences. And moreover, we have professional engineer. We can support you with full solutions for 3D laser engraving operation and troubleshooting. Our aim is to cooperate with our customer in long-term base, not just for one order. Okay, that's right.
And another question is, how about warranty?
The warranty, okay, normally our warranty time is 1 year, like the 12 months. While in our live show today, we can promise you the 2 years warranty for the whole machine. It's really a good chance to order it right now.
Wow, so now it's 2 years warranty time. Then how long is the lead time?
The lead time is 10 to 15 working days.
And what about the payment method?
We accept bank wire transfer, Western Union, Alibaba Trade Assurance. You can choose and pay any payment method you like.
And what is the after-sales service?
Okay, we are responsible for offering the free parts for replacing during the guarantee period. We have many professional engineers, and we can support you with full solutions, both for the operation and troubleshooting.
And what about the packing?
We have 3 layers package for from the outside. We can adopt a wooden craft case. In the middle, the machine is covered by foam to protect the machine from shaking, right? From shaking, I'm sorry. From the inside layer, the machine is covered by thickened plastic bag for waterproof. And our package is considerate all the damage factors and making to be very safe. And our shipping agents have abundant experience in transportation. Our products have been exported to 180 countries around the world. So please don't worry about that. We'll receive the machine. You will receive the machine in very good condition.
And the last question is it easy for installation and run the machine?
My dear friend, our our technical person have installed the machine and the software well before shipping. So we also will send you the training VCD. The training VCD, the user's manual along with the machine. Please remember, we'll send it to you so it will be easy for you to operate. And 99% customers can learn by themselves. If you cannot, please just let us know. We'll make it for you. And the machine has no consumables, so totally free of maintenance. If you meet with some operation problems, please contact us directly. We'll respond to you with 2 hours as quick as possible. And we have full confidence you will like our machine and our service. So Perfect Laser can be your reliable partner from now and forever.
Yes, exactly. Okay, and now guys, and thank you so much, Miss Autumn, for the answer, the professional answering. And before, so now I want to mention one more time about our certificate. We just mentioned you can definitely trust our quality of all our machine because all the products we have the certificates from the International Inspection Institute. Like this one is the ROS. Can you see it clearly? Yes? Yeah. So we are qualified by the International Inspection Institute. And here is one more certificate, the CE certificate. With all the products. And this one, what about this one, the CE? Can you use?
Yeah, you can, yeah.
Can you see it clearly?
Yeah.
Yes. And guys, remember, please, because our live show is going to end soon. So please, if you're interested, and don't hesitate to contact us because we have so many coupons and the gifts only valid for this month, the September Shopping Festival. And you can get it from the live stream. And for this one, you can see the Golden Supplier Certificate, which is qualified by the SGS. Can you see the logo? Yes? Okay, now I'm going to introduce you one more time about the coupons. So the benefit one is if you recommend a new buyer to get a machine from us, you can enjoy $100, the cards which worth $100. You can get a free machine parts. And also we have the coupons. Let's have a look. The details. So if you order more than $3,000, you can get $50 discount. You can have a look here. And you can get coupons from our product page. You can just go to there and get the coupons. And for another one, if you order over $7,000, you can get $100 discount. Okay? And please don't forget to subscribe our channel here. And thanks Mr. Thomas Dave, you subscribe us, and so you can easily find our live stream next time. And don't forget to give us a thumb in, give us a like. Thank you for your support. And let me introduce you the gifts. So here I have the little cute box and the red box. This one, besides you can get the coupons if you order over $3,000, you can also get this lovely gift, which we have 3 pieces unit. One is the notebook, which is so cute and very traditional Chinese style. And you can make notes on the notebook.
Yeah, and there is a calendar here for next year.
Yeah, it's very convenient. And we also have the red pen, which is real, not fake. You can use the pen, okay? And for this one, yeah, you can see the pen, you can write the pen. And for this one, the USB, I want to especially introduce to you guys. For this one, you can see the little cute USB. We can also engrave any logo, sentence, image for you, and if you get it. Okay.
As well as the images that you might need for the 3D engraving and cutting machine.
Yes, and there is another lovely gift. Let me introduce for you guys. So here is the 8 pieces tablewares. Can you guys see it clearly? Yes? Okay. Can you guys? Yeah? So this is the traditional Asian Chinese porcelain materials. And then can you imagine you enjoying the mealtime with your family with this fancy tablewares? And this one, you can get it from our live stream. And for this, you can, and now we are going to, oh, by the way, I want to mention one more time about the warranty. So normally we have the 12-month warranty, and now we upgrade to 24 hours warranty time. So now we're going to, so just in order you guys can use these benefits and can find, just talk to us. So now please get out your mobile phone and you can screenshot and then you can send the picture to our sales manager and you can enjoy all the benefits, okay? So now I will give you 10 seconds to do the screenshot.
10 seconds?
Yeah, did you get your mobile phone? Yes? Okay, so let's count down together, okay? Ready? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, okay. Thank you for your support. And time flies so fast, huh? Now the live streaming coming to the end right now. And today we introduce 2 kinds of machine. Miss Autumn, can you tell the passage?
Yeah, of course. The first one is the carbon dioxide laser engraver and cutter, and the other thing is the 3D crystal engraving machine. Sorry, once again, it's the 3D. Let's say it's the 3D crystal laser engraver. So please remember these 2 kinds of products, and you can find in your product list.
Yeah, and I believe after you watching the live streaming with us, I'm pretty sure you have a overall introduction of the 2 machines. And if you want or you're interested to get the machine from our company, feel free to contact with us. You can chat online, you can call us, or you can, send inquiries. And our sales manager will get to you as soon as possible. And now is really the time to say goodbye. And before we really say bye to you guys, I want to say one more time, our company has 20 years history in this laser field, and we are qualified by the International Inspection Institute. So you don't need to worry about the quality, and for perfect laser company, for us, we are willing to be your reliable partner from now and forever. Yes, so please feel free to contact with us, and you can also go to our official website to check more details and the information from the website page, okay?
Yes.
And now, thank you guys for staying with us, and thank you for your support. Bye-bye. See you next